Alrighty, welcome to part two for the divine feminine messages here. Like I was saying here, the tower is going to be that you guys are needing to leave these people, places, or things out in the cold here. If you need to catch up, go look for part one. Also, this is a decision that you are needing to make. This can be a bond that you have. This can be about a lover. This can be about work. It's something here you're needing to make this decision about. Bottom of the deck, yeah, Six of Wands. You will be victorious with whatever decision you make. Back of the deck, Queen of Pentacles, yes. You are meant to live a life of luxury, comfort, prestige. Like you're meant to be focusing on your finances right now and taking care of yourself, not whatever is going on here when it pertains to cheating or these other people or this third party situation. Okay. We have property, a property purchase or sale for many, but heed security concerns in any transaction. Okay. Let's get some advice here. Yes, look at Empress energy. Oh my goodness. Yes. You guys are attracting abundance. You guys are being really creative. You guys are grounded here. And you guys are going for what it is that you guys want. A mother is significant. A wife is significant. A baby mama is significant. What else, Spirit? Six of Wands. You're going for what you want because you're going to be victorious. One more. One more for the divine feminine. Oh my goodness. You're going to be victorious and it's going to bring in multiple opportunities for you. Oh my. Look, all of these cards that just came out. Yes, it is an end to a cycle. It is an end to a timeline. It is an end to you not speaking up for yourself, for you not cutting off those that no longer serve you. Nope, you're doing that now. You're speaking up for yourself now. You're cutting off who and what no longer serves you, and you're moving on to calmer water here. 2021 may be significant. 66 is significant. 333 is significant. This is definitely involving a few different women. We had the Queen of Pentacles. Now we have the Queen of Swords. We have cousin out here from part one. Let's see what else. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more readings like this. A feminine air sign, but can be masculine. A feminine earth sign, but can be masculine. It looks beautiful here. You guys are just needing to trust your intuition. What else, Spirit? For divine feminines for this up and coming week that they need to know about. Yes, the magician. You are the alchemist. Oop, is it blurry? Sorry, guys. You are manifesting what you desire. What else, Spirit? Go deep within. 444. There are things deep within that will help you create abundance. There's creativity deep within that's going to have you bringing in multiple streams or sources of income, is what I just heard. It's all within you. Big Virgo energy, Gemini energy, big Gemini energy. What else, Spirit? What else for the Divine Feminine? Yes, and you're going to have to stand up for yourself. You're going to have to stand your ground. You're going to have to protect this. Okay? I just seen the move in silence card in my head, in my third eye. Anything? These people will receive their bad karma. These people will not receive justice. It landed on the Tower card again. Things will not go in their favor here. Who have harmed you, who have came against you. This third party situation, this group of people, whoever it is, it's not going to go in their favor. Whoever this cousin is that's significant, it's not going to go in their favor. Whoever this cheater is, it's not going to go in their favor. Huge Libra energy out here. What else, Spirit? One more for Divine Feminine. Yes. They're going to be held up with so many obstacles, so many burdens, so much baggage that they're not even going to be able to see their own path right in front of them. For trying to bring this injustice to you. (2010, 2011) is significant as well. Okay, let's see here. What did I say? This group of people, they are in competition with you because of your essence, because of your energy. I just heard because of your inheritance. And they're upset because you stopped giving to them with the Six of Pentacles in reverse. You called your energy, your time, your power back to you. 818 on the clock. Back of the deck. You healed. You rested. You recovered from all of this. And now they want you back. Wow. Wow. What else, Spirit, for the Divine Feminine? And what do they need to know? Hustling. Making it rain, focused on money, getting it. Yeah, what did I say with the Queen of Pentacles? Yeah. They're played out for real. They steady in competition with you with this Five of Wands here. Jackpot, you hit the jackpot. Winning money, got rich, inheritance, unexpected money. What did I say? They want that. Intimidating, threatened, or bothered. Yeah, there are some haters for real. Grudge holder, divination abuser, bad habits, drugs, addictions, toxicities. I wasn't even trying to pull them too. But go ahead and follow me over for part 3. Someone is a redhead and someone has evidence of something here, okay? About this group of people that tried to come up against you to take your